I made the biggest update in my game ever! Oh my god, this is so sick! You can change color or the pattern! Hello everyone, welcome back to the Dream Car Game devlog. In today's episode there's a lot to be done. I want to add new cars, new tracks, new game modes, maybe improve the things we have, and also I want to make a garage system where you can modify your car, repaint it, add custom patterns and so on. I want to have a lot of customizations in the game, and to achieve that it's gonna be very difficult. I'm gonna probably struggle trying to create a system that works flawlessly in applying colors, patterns and customizations. Also, the money system needs to be implemented. It's in a dire state that we have money and the timers for each map. I started immediately by adding new cars. The new cars are cleaner and better and overall look sick. From Lamborghinis to Bugattis to Jeeps and muscle cars, I added about 9 cars into the game and they're all drivable and will be modifiable. Also, I want to have like 50 to 80 cars once the game launches. Right now, we have 20. Now it was time to fix a bug I knew I had, but I constantly was delaying to do. On the menu with every button click there should be a specific timer for that race, but from how it looks now the texts overlap and there are no animations, no nothing. I had to make it that every time you press a button new time appears, and that was easy enough, but working with Unity animations is never easy. Sometimes honestly I would rather want to lick the back of the elephant's asshole than to try and do this shit. I was trying to add an animation event to know when the planet move animation has finished so I can play my animation, but god damn it, it's like I asked Unity to animate a simulation of the goddamn world. It's so bad all the time. Freaking canvas and animating that always takes up so much of my time, and it really shouldn't. It's very easy to do, but after a while I got a hang of it. Finally did what I needed to do, and now ladies and gentlemen we have freaking timers. How exciting. I just need to put that timer when you spawn, so if I choose a Lambo and start the game, you will be greeted with a timer that will start once the counter counts down to go. The timer will stop once you ran out of gas or finish the race. It's now time for more stuff that's gonna make me smash everything around me. I'm not even kidding. I'm going to throw everything I have through the goddamn window. I hate this part of game dev. It's time for menus and design. Now I drew a professional looking sketch in paint, but you will get the idea. This is how it's going to look. Okay, I want a garage button on the left, some sort of a ready or go button in the middle obviously, and a car select on the right. Also I want to display the current car you have selected in the menu here, rotating, so you know instantly how your car looks. Once you've hit ready you are greeted by different game modes like delivery, timed and something new that we'll make in the next episode, so subscribe. I also added settings and about buttons, and that's pretty much it. It's time to turn this sketch into reality. I just used Photoshop to create the buttons. For now I don't have to go very much in depth in creating a nice menu, I just need the functionality, but goddamn this is ugly. This looks like a 7-year-old made it. I'm so goddamn bad at designing anything. Why does everything always look like trash? I decided to add a name, Project Vector, because I know at that point I was in tears and I didn't see what I was writing, but for now it's not the final name of the game but just a name template that we will change. I added the menu in the game and made the selected car rotate on the screen, and then I added this button in the middle of the screen of car selection just so I can test going to the menu with random cars, and it works. Hooray! Everything works absolutely perfectly. I love how everything functionally works but looks like ass. I need a goddamn designer and I need it fast. It's now time to make the juggernaut, the garage. I modeled this and I added a car inside. The idea is to have different tabs in which you can change from colors to patterns. The functionality went well. You can change the color of the car pretty easily. I made the UI very basic, just squares. If you click on them that will take you to a different page. I wanted to make some sort of an entrance, so I made the lights turn one by one, and there's different camera angles when you go to materials for example, and I tried to make animation on these stupid goddamn cards, but it just didn't work. So I made a very simplistic version. Everything you see UI related is not finished at all. This is just me making sure every functionality works. And then when someone helps me with the design, I will implement it to make it look better. The idea for making a garage came from TikTok, so if you're not following me, make sure you go check out some of my videos there. I have special series that I'm doing, for example, where I'm making a game from your comments. The buttons will be lighter if selected, and also everything will be saved. So now if you go to play, you will actually see your car in the game for the very first time. You can edit the colors and the patterns, and now basically you can make any car you'd like. I just just need to add new patterns and improve the colors, but I'm gonna leave that for the next episode. After that, I added a road, just a simple road to see how my car would behave, and I think everything is ready to start doing the racing maps. I also made some improvements in the delivery game mode, but I won't show you that in this episode. You will have to tune in for the next one. Make sure you are subscribed because right now I'm on fire. Everything is going great and the next episode will be very soon.